Hey guys, Jamie here. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. Honor sent us a bunch of their wearables, so let's check them out. Of course, we have the Honor Flypods Lite that you've already seen in another video about the 5 AirPods alternatives under 3,000 pesos, but we also have the Honor Watch Magic and 2 of their budget-friendly fitness trackers, the Honor Band 5 and the Honor Band 5 Sport. Actually guys, they're all pretty easy on the wallet, but are they actually worth considering? Well, let's check them out and hopefully we can help you make that decision for yourself. Now before we jump in, just a quick reminder to sub to the channel and hit that notification bell. We are on the road to 500k subscribers and we're pretty close to 10,000 followers on Instagram as well. Once we hit that milestone, I will be doing a giveaway over there, so make sure you follow us at UnboxPH. Alright, so back to Honor's products, and first on the list is this guy right here, the Honor Watch Magic. So everything comes in this nice little navy box with light blue accents, and here's everything inside. You have the Honor Watch Magic with a black and red silicone strap, and as far as I know guys, this is the only color variant available on their store in Lazada. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. Next is the charger, USB-C cable, and the documents, and that's pretty much it. Now let's take a closer look at the watch itself. The Magic is actually very similar to the first version of the Huawei Watch GT, so you can expect some of the same features, but it has a slightly smaller diameter than the one we were able to review on the website at 42mm compared to 46. It has a 1.2-inch AMOLED display that's bright enough to be used outdoors, and I think it's a pretty solid looking timepiece for everyday use. Of course, it can track your heart rate, which is a big deal, plus a ton of workouts as well, so if you're planning to get back into fighting form in time for the summer, this can definitely help you out. Honestly, I feel like the Magic is more of a fitness tracker than it is a smartwatch, but you can check your message and it does alert you when you have incoming calls from your smartphone. In terms of battery life, you're getting about 3 days worth, which is not bad at all compared to having to charge it daily. The Honor Magic is priced at 5,545 pesos on their flagship store on Lazada. Now, if you are on a tight budget and you're looking for a fitness band, they do have great alternatives that don't break the bank. The Honor Band 5 and the Honor Band 5 Sport. Now you can think of the Band 5 as a mini-me of the Honor Watch Magic, but actually it has a few more functions than its bigger brother. You can actually control the music on your phone and act as a remote shutter provided that you have a device that runs on EMUI. Aside from that, you have a heart rate monitor, a blood oxygen monitor, and the same workout trackers as the Watch Magic, but in a much smaller form factor with a 0.95-inch AMOLED display. Funnily enough, despite its smaller size, it has twice the battery life of the Watch Magic, lasting 6 full days with all of the features turned on. Now the price for the Honor Band 5 is 1,699 pesos, which is not bad at all considering all the features you're getting. Now, if you really just want to dip your toes into fitness band, you have, of course, the Honor Band 5 Sport, which only costs 1,090 pesos. Now it is very basic, no heart rate monitor or blood oxygen sensors, but what's special about the 5 Sport is that you can clip this tiny fitness band onto your shoes. It actually has 6-axis motion tracking sensors, so it can actually record your footfalls and actually be sort of a running coach. It even has a basketball mode that can track your hang time, on-court activity, and vertical jump count as well, so you can up your game. Last but not least, let's have a little recap for the Honor Flypods Lite. For less than 3,000 pesos, it actually has a lot in the plus column for those who are looking for wireless earphones. They sound incredible and the fit is great. The battery is a bit of a downer, but it's still not too bad. Again, we've talked about it already, so I'll be linking the previous video for the Flypods Lite in the description down below or in the corner of the screen. So are Honor's set of wearables worth considering? Short answer, yes. You have a solid feature set for each of them at pretty good price points as well, so definitely check them out. And that's pretty much it guys. Thank you for spending a couple of minutes with me. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.